We're on our next 3-ball rotation pattern on page 31, and we always need to work backwards so that we will always work this pattern the best. So the 3-ball, everyone, we would like to be about right here. That way we can take the shortest way to the pocket. That's where I would like to be. So for me to get there in this position off of the 2, I need to be about right here for the 2. And then I can just graze that and we'll slide over the way my cursor is going. Now for me to get to this area in the 2 ball, I need to look at the angle for the 1 ball. Off of this pocket here, the tangent line puts it about right there. So if I can stun this over and then bounce out a little bit, and if I accidentally put a little bit of backspin on it, it's going to take this path toward the 2nd diamond or even the 3rd diamond. And if I put too much backspin on it, it's going to come way out over in this area. So again, I'm stunning over here. So again, let's go ahead and sticker this up and get to it. Here is another pattern where many players would play positioned here, labeled A for the 2 ball. The danger is ending up short of the position area, making it a difficult shot to get on the 3 ball. By shooting the 1 ball and ending up near the side rail, we can ensure ourselves the proper angle on the 2 ball. If we come up a bit short on the side rail, then we should still have the correct angle on the 2 ball. Now it's just a matter of rolling the 2 ball, sending the cue ball to the end rail for the 3 ball. Alright everyone, the 1 ball looks like it's going to hit the side rail and we show stun. It's going to slide over, hit about right here and bounce out per the diagram. And then 2 is the end rail. Off of the 2 we hit the end rail, so we're probably going to hit about right in this area and then bounce out. Alright everyone, you know the pattern. Now let's get to it.